morning, dear children. Your English teacher Anuradha Sinha is ready to begin your English class. How are you all? Fine? Enjoying the rainy season? Of course you all do, because children love to play in the rain, isn't it? Instead of any worry about getting wet, about getting sick, they enjoy to move in the rain. So today I have come up with a poem which is based on the rainy season only. Till now you have studied 3 chapters, 5, 6 and 7, and today, no, it was 6, 7 and 8, and today we will be doing chapter 9, that is a poem written by Christina Rossetti, and the poem's name is The Rainbow. What I am going to do is, first I will read the poem for you, and after reading the poem I will be explaining it to you one by one. Okay? Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the tree and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Now this is a beautiful poem which is written by Christina Rossetti. The poet's name is Christina Rossetti. Whenever we read a poem, we need to know that who has written the poem, and the person who writes the poem, that person is known as the poet. Okay? So the poet of this poem is Christina Rossetti. Let me make you understand the poem line by line. Boats sail on the rivers. That means boat moves on the rivers. You all have seen rivers, and I do believe that you all might have seen boat also. As we all are residing in Patna, we have a holy river in Patna, that is Ganga. Have you seen the Ganga river and the boats that sails on that river? Okay. So sails means what? Sails means to move. Boats move on the rivers, and ships, they move on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky, just as boats and the ships, they move on the rivers and the seas, in the same way the clouds, they also sail across the sky. That means the clouds also move from one place to the other place in the sky. हम बादलों को भी आसमान में एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाते हुए देखते हैं, है ना? तो जैसे नाव या पानी जहाज नदी में और समुद्र में मूव करते हैं, चलते हैं, ठीक उसी तरह आसमान में बादल भी आकाश में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह हमें जाते हुए देखते हैं, और ये बहुत ही प्यारे लगते हैं. आर प्रीटियर फार देन दिस. बोट्स और शिप्स के कंपैरिजन में अगर देखा जाए तो ये क्लाउड्स बहुत ही प्यारे लगते हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर नेचुरल. ये प्रकृति के हैं, प्रकृति की देन है, इसलिए ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगते हैं जब हम उन्हें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हुए देखते हैं. There are bridges on the rivers. You all might have seen the bridges on the rivers. When we talk about Ganga river, have you seen there is a huge long bridge, okay, a bridge which is very long, and it takes time to move from one side of the bridge to the other side. What does do bridge do? Bridge का काम क्या होता है? नदी के एक तरफ से दूसरे तरफ को कनेक्ट करना, ताकि लोग ऊपर से, नदी के ऊपर से ब्रिज के ऊपर आना जाना कर सकें. So there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. You might have seen so many bridges, and these bridges are pretty. It looks nice. You feel happy to see those bridges. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. But you all might have seen a bow-like thing. See, this is the shape of a bow. ये एक बो का शेप है ना. तो ये रेनबो क्या करता है? रेनबो एक ब्रिज का काम करता है जो आसमान में एक जगह से दूसरे जगह को जोड़ता है. एंड द बो दैट ब्रिजेस हेवन एंड ओवरटॉप्स द ट्रीज. एंड दीज बोज यू कैन फाइंड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द ट्री. द ट्रीज आर ह्यूज टॉल ट्रीज. और इस टॉल ट्रीज के ऊपर तक आपको रेनबो दिखाई देता है. ऐसा लगता है जैसे रेनबो ने पेड़ को ऊपर से ढक दिया है. एंड builds a road from earth to sky. And this rainbow builds a road. See, it starts from the earth. Can you see the land? आपको ये जमीन दिख रहा है? ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे इसने एक रोड बना दिया है. अर्थ से लेकर स्काई तक, जमीन से लेके आसमान तक एक रोड बना दिया है. ऐसे इस पे आसानी से चल के जाया जा सकता है. Is prettier far than these. And these rainbow, this bow, which is formed from the earth to the sky, is prettier far than anything. Is prettier far than the bridges that you find on the rivers. ये सबसे खूबसूरत लगता है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये ऐसा लगता है जैसे ये धरती और आसमान को जोड़ रहा है. एक ऐसी सड़क है जो धरती आसमान को जोड़ रही है. You all like to see rainbow in the sky, isn't it? So this was a poem which was based on rainbow. A rainbow which is made up of 7 colors, and it looks so bright. Whenever there is a heavy rainfall, you find the rainbow in the sky, and the children are so happy to see up in the sky, and they are cheerful. They are happy to see the rainbow. So what you have to do now is that, as I have already read the poem for you, I would like to read this poem once again for you. You listen to the way I am reading, the way I am pronunciating the words. You practice it at home twice, thrice, and you will learn this poem. Okay? In the coming classes, I will ask you to recite this poem one by one to me. So listen to how it is read out. The Rainbow. Poet Christina Rossetti. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Okay? So you will be doing this poem. Now before I end the class, I have got some opposite words for you. Children, we have done from chapter 1 to chapter 8, but today I have come up with opposite words from chapter 1 to chapter 4. From all these 4 chapters, I have picked up some opposite words. I am writing those words on the board. You write it along with me. जैसे जैसे मैं बोर्ड पे लिखते जा रही हूँ, आप सब भी अपनी कॉपी में इसे नोट करते जाइए. Okay? And then you will send it me in the group and I will check it. So what is what you have to do first, you will write classwork, okay, then you will write the date. This is mandatory, ये बिल्कुल जरूरी है, सभी बच्चों को करना है. Then you will write here opposites, okay. Underline it and then start writing. Good, bad, अच्छा, बुरा. When you write opposites, we give a cross sign like this. This shows that these are opposite words. Morning, evening, सुबह, शाम. Day, night. दिन, रात. Clean. Opposite is dirty. साफ, गंदा. Many, few. बहुत सारा, थोड़ा. Friend, enemy. दोस्त, दुश्मन. Now see, as this board is small, I cannot write it all the opposite words in one row. So I am making a second row. आप अपनी कॉपी में पूरा नीचे तक लिखेंगे और अगर कंप्लीट ना हो तो आप सेकेंड पेज यूज कर सकते हो. ओके. Sit. Opposite of sit is stand. Sit मतलब बैठना, stand मतलब खड़ा होना. Come. Opposite is go. आना, जाना. Can, cannot. जो चीज हम कर सकते हैं उसके लिए हम लिखते हैं can. I can do it. जो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं उसके लिए हम बोलते हैं cannot. I cannot do it. First, पहला. Last, आखिरी. Inside, here is opposite, outside. अंदर, बाहर. Down, नीचे. Up, ऊपर. Happy, unhappy. So we have got so many words. All of you will now note it down in your copy and then you will send it in the group so that I can check the copy and return it back to you. Thank you, children.